Hello guys, and welcome back to another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show.
KKP 1613 New York. This don't know what she's doing. See?
Roses and Iron Maiden headlining Saturday. It's AC/DC and Ozzy Osbourne, and then Metallica and Tool are headlining on Sunday. So it's going to be wild. Tickets go on sale April 6th at 10 a.m. Pacific.
Hey, it's Jake, and if you're not waking up with
This driver thought that it would be a great idea to break the speed limit, but a cop who was there in traffic had other plans for him.
even feel it. Ergo, most bites are fatal. Yay! More nightmare fuel for you. You're welcome. Story 35. Note to self. When I'm going to expire, I need to make sure to climb Mount Everest and become a marker by expiring in a position where my arm is pointing to the right direction. I shall be known as the human arrow marker. Story 36. Stonefish are also really hard. Hard to see. So hard to the right direction. I shall be known as the human arrow marker.
To tighten HP's grip over the use of non-HP printer ink. But whatever the motivation, the entire world, which has now been waiting, as I said, for 22 days, is filled with HP branded dead printers which no longer print using anyone's ink. And it's becoming more and more glaring with each passing day, now at 22, is that incredibly, there has been very unsatisfying communication from HP about this issue. Any call to HP service replies,
well, it's not valid, I'm sorry. So I stopped the part for that as well. I understand, I heard him. Let me see your insurance and registration. I don't understand why we had to go through this whole...
Drivers nowadays really don't seem to pay attention at the traffic rules. We have more and more people running red lights, cutting others off, taking risky last-second exits and whatnot. It's our duty to act more responsible and be more aware of traffic rules and other traffic participants around us. After all, the road belongs to nobody in specific, and the sooner we learn to share it properly, the better it is for the rest of us.
We're in the red of red! Hey! Yeah, yeah. Come on, yep. Don't hit me. Someone lost their drawers. Are you turning right here or just being a douche? Yeah, you're a douche. What are you doing? Do you know where the hell you're going? What are you? Don't. Is it? Yeah. Don't run it. You ran it. Someone's there. Hello, 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 hello. Dumbass. Oh, hi. I'm not here, lady. No problem. You want to stop, maybe? No, you still managed to not stop. That's cool. That's cool. Yellow. Red. You ran that. You blew that. That'll pick up. Stop saying anything, you grandma.
I got that beef jerky. I got that beef jerky. What the fuck is this guy doing? Shit. Damn, what the fuck? Damn, what the fuck? What the? This guy was on the train tracks. Watch my eating. Jesus Christ!
Don't do it! Oh! I think you just hit the side of my car. The person that was changing lanes right into me. And I honked my... the one on...
what just happened there? I heard a horn. That was a cutoff. Oh, duh. And cutoff. That's a cutoff. Jesus. Yeah. Here. Masshole! Oh boy. Don't cut me off, please. Like that. Exit regret. Use one. Go! Jesus Christ. Right blinker, left turn. Oh my God. There's a dive. Thank you for blocking the intersection. Really appreciate it. Thank you all. Thank you so much. God. In red, thank you. Yeah. Masshole. Oh, good. Left from the right turn only lane. Come on, move it, bud. Move it. Move it. Move it.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.